So, what about the 232 wire? Our laser device has a 232 port at the back. We plug the 232 wire into it. And on the other end, we connect it to our computer's USB port. Once connected, we turn on the laser device. We need to turn on the laser device. Turn on the laser device. After turning on the laser device, then we open the software. After opening the software, since we are using the 232 wire, we select the COM port. There will be a COM3 option. Simply click on Login. After the icon appears, it means that we have successfully logged in. Then we click on OK. OK, we enter the main interface. In this monitoring interface, all the lights are green, which indicates that our laser device has no alarms. If any item turns red, it means there is an alarm for that particular item. Then, we decrypt. At the top left corner, there is a decrypt option. Click on Decrypt. After decryption, enter the password, then click Apply to confirm. If decryption is successful, a window will pop up.